introduce myself and then we will continue for our topic. Is it okay?
Yes.
Okay. So my name is Shreya Vikram Mohorkar and currently I am working as an assistant professor in electrical department at Sverris College of Engineering, Pandharpur. Talking about my experience, I was the maintenance engineer at Menon & Menon Private Limited, Kolhapur. Before that also I have worked as a teacher or as a professor, assistant professor in the same Sverris College of Engineering, Pandharpur for 6 months. So there is basically experience of teacher, again as a engineer, maintenance engineer, and again as a professor, we can say that. So I'll not go deep for my academics, somehow I'll give it later. So we'll directly move towards our topic, that is entrepreneurship development. Okay, so can anyone tell me what do you mean by entrepreneur? The word entrepreneur. Have you heard that word entrepreneur?
Business.
Yes? Yes? Can somebody tell what do you mean by entrepreneur? Anyone know? Yes? Who is saying yes? From boys, from girls?
Business. Business.
Business. Entrepreneur means business. Means business. Okay. Can anyone else? Profession. Then? Anything else? From girls? I want to be an entrepreneur or entrepreneur. Whatever that pronunciation is there. Entrepreneur can be pronunciated as multiple types. So it can be an entrepreneur. So what does that entrepreneur word means? Have you heard now? I want to be a big entrepreneur. Or you don't want to be entrepreneur. How many of you want to be entrepreneur? This question is asking before the session, is it wrong actually? But still the name entrepreneur itself shows that you want to make your own business. Okay, it is not a businessman. Whenever you will establish or whenever you will be the founder of any small scale business, any large scale business, or any creative idea that you have put into your business, okay, that person is nothing but the entrepreneur. And what that person is doing is your entrepreneurship. Okay, so while talking about entrepreneurship development, you have to become an entrepreneur in your future. So for that, what should be your development or what should be your path that we are talking today? Okay, so entrepreneur doesn't mean that you have large money or you have large potential or you should be a smart university ranker. No, not like that. Any. Rather I can say that who is the normal person or who is what we can say a middle class person that can be an entrepreneur. We don't need any kind of money or we don't need any kind of education to become an entrepreneur. But to become an entrepreneur, you must have one thing in you. There should be multiple things, but at starting you must have one thing, and that should be your idea. You can be a businessman, okay, but then if you have any kind of idea, okay, so if I will think about I will sell any kind of kurkures, so that kurkures should be innovative, something like that chips and kurkures mix kurkure, so that will be an innovative idea. And then you will become an entrepreneur when you will be manufacturing the kurkures in your home. So we can say that, have you heard about the Ghalguti, Papad Udyog or Gruha Udyog, Laghu Udyog? That are also you entrepreneur ladies. So nowadays girls are becoming more entrepreneurs, we can say that. They want to stand on their own legs. Okay, they don't want to be a dependent or they don't want to be a what we can say that they want to be self-confident and self-fulfilled. So most of the women are entrepreneurs. Wherever I was working over there in Menon & Menon, that founder was the gents or male, but now that whole entire entrepreneurship is handled by single lady, that is the women. So entrepreneurship or to become an entrepreneur, first thing I told that you must have an idea that should be converted into your business. Okay. So anyone having any idea? For that in our college also we have organized one program. What was that? Can anyone tell me the name of that program? where you have to put your ideas and you have to sell that. Nascent program, exactly. So likewise, nascent activity is one of the way to move towards the entrepreneurship. So if you become entrepreneur, then what will be your life? That I don't want to tell. You are looking already towards the world in the world. Have you heard the current affairs, or have you heard any kind of businessman that is, what we can say, that on the higher position, and what is that life after becoming an entrepreneur? So if we will compare between the job and entrepreneur, always entrepreneurship will be the better, because that will be your own strength. You don't have to work under anyone other authority. So be an entrepreneur and go further to become to enlarge your business. Okay. So next thing, there may be many kind of the entrepreneurships. Okay. Then there may be many kind of the businesses. So there may be small scale business, or that we can say that small scale entrepreneurship, then large scale entrepreneurship, and then another is the, what we can say, that to helping others, that can be also entrepreneurship. Okay, so how is it? I'll tell you later. First we will go whatever we were talking about that. First you should have creative idea. Then second thing as an entrepreneur you should have is sustainability. Okay, if you will put the idea and then you leave that should not be happen. No? Then you can't become an entrepreneur. You should be sustainability and consistency, we can say that. Sustainability in whatever idea you have taken, or whatever idea is your in mind, you have to sustain for that, or you have to what we can say that, but be there for that idea. And consistency means you have to work for that idea consistently. And until and unless you will not do work here consistently, you can't go for that conversion of idea into your product. Okay, to converting idea into product is biggest task while becoming an entrepreneur. Okay, I think so. Some of your girls had made that one dustbin. Okay, which was operated by foot. So it was their idea or her idea, whatever single lady was or whatever group was there. Then they worked consistently on that project, or that to become that idea into product. And after that they converted and they made large that success in that, what we can say, that dustbin. So likewise, if you are now second year students, agreed? Yes. You are second year students, huh? Yes. So you have much time to work on your career. So if you will decide now what to do during these days, during this year, and if you will decide your path. So before deciding path, you should decide your goal. So some of yours already have decided that I want to be an entrepreneur. So my one question is that a farmer can be an entrepreneur?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, definitely. So you can make any kind of innovation. Most of your families are of families of or farming background. Correct, no?
Yes.
Many of your fathers or mothers working over that your farms, many of farmers are there. So if you will make any idea regarding to that farming, and if you will convert that idea into that product, then you will become an entrepreneur. Again we will move toward that word entrepreneur. So entrepreneur and businessman are both similar words, but there is a small difference. That business become large, or businessman word whenever you will use, that will be for the large activities or larger amount of whatever scaling business are there. For that we can say that it as a businessman. But for entrepreneurship, it can be a small, it can be a large, it can be a anything that you are doing for your own. You are not working under anyone's, or you are not working in any other business or any other entrepreneurs in hand. Okay, so my another question was that so you can make any kind of idea regarding that farming which will be converted into the product. So why we are taking this session right now? In the next year you have mini projects, and in the final year you might have big projects. So if you will think about that, like I want to make that product and be entrepreneur. So you will do the project on like that way. So you have much time to make decision for your projects, for your further projects. Till now you didn't work anything on your projects. और किसी ने प्रोजेक्ट बना के रखा है, कुणी ठेवलाय बनवून प्रोजेक्ट की ठरवलंय की मी फायनल इयरला गेल्यावरती हाच प्रोजेक्ट बनवणार. मी म्हणणार मॅडम इथे M3चं टेन्शन आलंय, अजून कुठं काय तुम्ही विचारायला लागलाय. नो, बट डोंट थिंक लाईक दॅट. सेट युअर गोल. ठीक आहे, ऑलरेडी एव्हरीवन शुड सेट युअर गोल अँड टू ट्रॅक दॅट गोल यू शुड फॉलो द पाथ यू हॅव डिसाइडेड. सो आधी गोल बनवायचं किंवा आधी गोल डिसाइड करायचं अँड देन यू हॅव टू फॉलो दॅट path towards achieving your goal. So can anyone tell me recently, current now, who is the best entrepreneur or first entrepreneur in world or in India? Have you heard about who is the first entrepreneur or businessman? Now tell me 2 to 5 names of entrepreneurs who are known to you people. Huh? I can't hear. एक जण सांगा उठून. Be confident. Entrepreneur should be confident. Until and unless you will not have confidence, you can't reach your goal. Okay, and you will reach your goal, but if you don't have your confidence, तिथं पोहोचून पण काही उपयोग नाही. हा, tell me anyone name.
Sri Ratan Tata.
Yes, very good, very good. So Ratan Tata is one of the entrepreneur in our India. So have you heard? Sit down. Very good. So Ratan Tata has started with very small. Go home and read history about the Ratan Tata. He was not also any what we can say that घरंदाज लोक नव्हते ते किंवा त्यांच्या पाठीशी काही बॅकबोन नव्हतं. He started his own by his own money, own career. Okay. So anyone other? एकच नाव झालं रतन टाटा. खूप आहे. हा, लास्ट धीरूभाई अंबानी. ओके, नेक्स्ट अदानी. आता अंबानी झालं की अडानी येणार, टाटा झालं की अंबानी, अंबानी झालं की अडानी. सो एलॉन मस्क. Have you heard about Bill Gates? He is number 1 entrepreneur right now, on the position 1, and I think Ratan Tata is on the number position of 3. सो एवढ्या नंबरपर्यंत पोहोचायला त्यांना खूप कष्ट घ्यावे लागले, बट त्यांनी सुरुवात त्यांची छोट्याशा थॉटमधनं केलेली. सो युअर एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप शुड बी स्टार्टेड विथ अ स्मॉल थॉट अँड दॅट थॉट शुड बी युअर आयडिया. सो कधी पण विचार करताना दॅट आयडिया शुड बी ऑन द वे दॅट आय कॅन बी अ एंटरप्रेन्योर. येस, आय कॅन. गर्ल्स कॅन ऑल्सो बी एंटरप्रेन्योर राईट नाउ. Have you heard about any girl name who is entrepreneur right now? Namita. Okay. More? Aman Gupta. Yes. Very good. Very good. Anyone else? Boys knows always what we can say that. Any boy know any lady entrepreneur? Have you heard about Infosys company? Who is the founder of Infosys company? Not only Narayan Murthy. Yes. Infosys company was yes, any doubt? Established by Sudha Murthy and Narayan Murthy. So right now Sudha Murthy is also one of the entrepreneurs. At that time they have started. Even we will go for the past. Savitribai Phule was also an entrepreneur. She started her own school for girls. So likewise we have to thought on that process and we have to proceed that thought into idea and idea into the product. Okay. So right now tell me, how many of you want to be an entrepreneur? अवघड असते अजून पण entrepreneur बनणं. How many of you want to be an entrepreneur? का सगळ्यांना जॉबच करायचा आहे? So business, who is there in business? Stand up. How? Stand up, stand up. How वाला तुम्हें बिजनेसमैन होणार. How is it possible? You should have that much daring, you should have that much confidence to stand up and say that I want to be businessman. Okay. So he is there.
लेट होते आता जाओ.
Second last bench. Tell me the difference between the entrepreneurship and entrepreneur and business. Tell me. Blue shirt च्या शेजारी. We got everything. You want to become a businessman, right? Right now? So what is the difference between businessman and entrepreneurship? You don't know? Sit down. So be concentrated while I'm telling. So I already told that businesses are on the large scale and entrepreneurship can be started with a very small scale. You will be entrepreneur whenever you will be selling anything on any platform. On any platform. It can be online, it can be offline. Right now Meesho, Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra are the online platforms which are trending over there. So from that also entrepreneurship is going increased. Have you heard about that, or I don't know else. But everyone is buying or everyone is selling from that. Buying and selling is concept from that Meesho platform. So yes, Meesho platform. So if you want to do like that, you can do like that also. Okay. So again, if you want to develop your entrepreneurship skill, there must be some skills in you people. First one is confidence. Current, if you don't have confidence, you can't put your idea in front of any people, any person. But if you have confidence, you can put your idea in front of how large amount of people or large count of people. So first thing is to build up your confidence. In what we are talking, how to become an entrepreneur and what to do or what development should be done during your entrepreneurship period. So first of all, increase your confidence. I am saying just confidence. Don't become overconfident. Then you will fall down to the earth from the sky. Okay. So always be a confident. Then second thing, what you should have. You have idea right now. You have put it in front of someone and they have agreed for your idea. Now you have to convert that idea into product. So second thing, you should have your consistency. Consistency. Until and unless you should be consistent. You should be stick to your idea until and unless my idea should not be converted into the product, and I will not sell that one product, or I will not make any kind of patent until and unless I will not stop there. I will convert that idea into product. I will what we can say, define that patent. I will make my 100% try to sell, and then I will keep the silence. That consistency should be there within you people. So, not only for entrepreneurship, for your regular academics, for your regular life also, these things are much important. That first is self-confidence, second is the consistency. In your studies also, if you will be consistent, then and then only you will achieve your goal. Third one is the sustainability. Now you are consistent, but you are not sustaining to your product. You are saying that I don't want to stick to that point right now. You will lose that patience. So that is your sustainability, or we can say that don't lose the patience. If you will lose the patience now, you can't be an entrepreneur. Always go for the lectures of big entrepreneurs. They are always calm and grounded. They never shout, or they are never loud. तुम्ही कसं करता लागे आरेला का रे? That is not a sign of entrepreneur. So that is your building that should be done at this stage. So first you can make your idea and you can increase your self-confidence during this period. Agreed? Agreed? So whenever you are going or walking, doing anything, just think about what can I do to become an entrepreneur. So likewise, my product, I'll tell you my experience right now. During the final year, my guide said that to me, should do one industrial project. I don't want any kind of copy-pasted product or copy-pasted project. So likewise, we go to visit the industries nearby my colleges, and there we found one idea. Okay, see my journey. Well, now my product is going to be patented. If you are interested to become entrepreneur, listen carefully. If you are not interested, let it be done. या खाना सोडून द्या. But journey should be listen. So then I go to my guide and I visited, and at that time they tell me that okay, this is a very good idea. So I become consistently stick to that part, and finally I made my product. Whenever that will be patented, I will disclose whole project. Okay, but your consistency should be there for entrepreneurship. This is sufficient for today. So in your second year or in your third year, first thing, make ideas for your projects, and second thing, increase your self-confidence. Okay, खाली बसून काही होणार नाही. Agreed?